Chloe, your house is under surveillance.
Why am I here again? I hope we can find Rachel. I miss her, Max. Is Chloe still up there? Oh, yeah, I can find out. Oh my lord! The tornado is back!
Estaba allí.
I was there, hiding in the corner.
Damn, you're a ninja.
A ninja would have cut Nathan's head off. I just took a butterfly photo.
That is so badass.
Oh yeah, I almost wet myself when I saw the gun.
So, did you recognize me?
No estaba seguro.
I wasn't sure.
I know I look a lot different.
I was
Dame un
scared
poquito,
too.
sí.
I couldn't see straight.
I don't blame you, Max.
Like you said, it's been that kind of day.
Ya, se me ha ido la olla.
So you must have overheard our conversation.
Solo un poco.
Just a bit.
There is no way you didn't hear every single vowel.
Okay, I only heard something about money, drugs, but that's it.
Now for the big question. Did you tell anybody?
No.
No, I didn't know what to do.
I don't blame you. That's some intense shit.
Buenas noches,
Maybe I should
Abri.
go to the
Abri
principal.
barra baja
The
11.
principal?
Gracias,
Are you
bro.
still
Está
12?
justeando
That drunk
justamente
jackass
con
only
0
cares about
viewers.
cash for Blackwell Academy.
Gracias, bro.
Don't trust him.
Seriously, I didn't blab to anybody. Promise.
Thank God. I'll tell you more someday. And I seriously owe you, Max. I know it was your birthday last month.
Ahora te cuento. ¿Y yo abrí? ¿En serio?
This was my real father's camera. I want you to have it.
That's so cool you remembered my birthday. But I can't take this.
Of course you can. My dad would be pissed if I never used it, and now
No
I know it'll
jodas.
be used awesomely.
Le regalo
And
una
I'll snag this
cámara.
picture as a symbol of our reunion. Cool?
Yes, of course it's cool. Thank you. This camera is so sweet.
Now that we got that mushy shit out of the way, I feel like stage diving. Let's thrash this place.
You're crazy.
Yep, I'm fucking insane in the brain.
Oh,
Let's
qué
dance.
guay, tío.
Shake that bony white ass. Or take my picture with your new camera.
¿Qué hago? ¿Bailo con ella?
This day couldn't get any stranger.
Voy a hacer una foto.
This song fucking rules. Can't dance, hippie? Come on. Rock out, girl. Yes! Break it down, Max.
¿Qué es eso?
Are you up there?
Yo, turn it off! Turn it off!
How many times have I told you to stop blasting that punk shit?
Dude,
Ah,
the
tío.
music's not even on! Asshole.
I'm coming up. We need
Es
to
un
talk.
juego muy famoso, tío.
Oh, no fucking way. You need to hide now. My stepdad will kill me if he finds you here.
¿Por qué?
What's going on? Open this door, please.
Chill, I'm changing. Is that okay?
Max, find a place to hide
En el armario,
now.
¿no? Como buena bollera.
I'm coming.
En el armario como buena bollera.
Chloe, you're stalling.
I'm changing. Give me a minute.
Don't get smart. Just let me in now.
¿Dónde me
One
escondo?
second. My bra is stuck.
¿Dónde me
I'm
escondo?
not screwing around, soldier. Chloe,
I'm not a kid anymore. I can't hide under the bed. Where else?
¿Dónde?
I'm giving you exactly 3 seconds.
Un momento. El armario, ¿no?
Chloe,
I'm coming.
What are you
Lámpara, 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 lámpara.
I'm changing.
Lámpara.
Give me a minute.
Move.
don't get smart. Just let me in now. Please.
1 second.
Vale.
My bra is stuck.
Esconderse.
I'm not screwing around, soldier. Chloe,
Perfecto.
open this door.
Es muy, muy, muy famoso. Es muy guay, ¿eh?
Shit.
What's going on in here?
Jesus, I'm just trying on clothes. You're so friggin' paranoid.
Yeah, combat will do that to you. One of my guns is missing.
No jodas.
Did you take it?
Oh God, I didn't take your stupid gun. You do know I believe in gun control?
Wait, is that grass? You been toking up again
Grass?
in
Oh
here?
yeah, guns, weed. You were tripping balls.
I'm sick of your disrespect.
Qué fuerte,
Tell
tío.
me the truth.
That's an order. Whose is it?
Intervenir. Intervenir.
I'm
sí.
sorry. That was my joint.
Well, well. I don't like strangers in my home, especially dopers. So you're bringing drugs into my home. How about if I call the police? That'd screw up your spotless Blackwell record. You do seem to get around, Max. I'm sick of you losers dragging Chloe
Es verdad,
down.
tío.
Missy, you sure do like to pop up and start trouble. Like this
Totalmente, tío. A mí me
afternoon.
recuerda eso.
You don't have anything smart to say now, do
Get
you?
the hell away from
Huh?
her, man. Stop harassing my friends.
You don't have any friends.
Like you know. You're not even a real cop. You're a fucking security guard.
I was a soldier, Chloe. And Max, if I see you
Estoy
here
flipando,
again,
tío.
you'll learn all about real trouble.
Qué fuerte, tío.
Because you're such a badass, Max, let me show you my new toy.
Ha hablado de...
I'm Price. Chloe Price. Bang!
Jesus, put that thing down.
¿Por qué?
Chillax, sister. It's not even loaded. Yet.
I thought you
¿Le
believed
roba
in
el
gun
arma?
control.
Yes, I believe I should control the gun.
¿Por qué le roba el
It's the
arma?
men who need to be checked. You trust Nathan or David? Thanks for taking the heat. We totally smacked his punk ass down, Max. He's no match for you and me now. That was an epic win.
No
Anyway,
mola,
let's sneak
no
out the
mola.
window. There is one cool place we can hang in this hick hole.
A ver, droga. No sé, a mí la
Man,
marihuana-
that did not go well for me. If I want to keep my Blackwell scholarship, I shouldn't lie for anybody, even Chloe. I have to think about my own future.
Chavales, se viene. No, sé que estáis poquitos, pero se viene. Hablar.
You're giving me a look I haven't seen for a while.
Buah,
What's
tío,
the problem?
Qué movida. ¿Por qué?
Why steal a gun from your stepdad?
O sea, ¿por
You
qué la
know
roba,
you're gonna
tío?
get busted.
Or somebody like Nathan will bust me with a cap. Screw that. I need to cover
no me
my
queda,
own
no me
back.
queda, tío.
Your stepdad won't let you off the hook that easy.
What the hell does he need another gun for? To mow down Bigfoot cheerleaders?
This is all just so scary.
I know, Max. But I do feel safer having a 9mm in my pants.
¿Sabes usarla? Pues yo no, pero... No, pero ¿sabes usarla o qué?
Can you actually use it?
After about 100 online videos? Hell yeah.
¿Pero de
Just
verdad?
don't keep it in your pants, okay?
Por favor, no te
Max,
vuelvas... no
I'm
te
not
vuelvas
looking for
la
trouble.
chochera,
I just
tío.
want protection. If anybody in
Vale.
this country should have guns, it should be women.
Eso es una realidad como una casa, ¿eh? Eso es una realidad como una casa. Venga, ¿se puede hablar
Come
más?
on, let's escape out the window. It's cool, I do it every night.
¿No vamos a tumbarnos en la cama y pegarnos el lote? ¿No? Vaya. Qué F, tío. Mi cámara rota. Yo siendo una malota y escapándome por la ventana, chavales. Yo siendo una fucking malota, eso no lo he hecho nunca. Nunca me he escapado por la ventana de mi casa. En mi puta vida. En mi putísima santa vida, tío. O sea, es lo último que se me ha ocurrido sobre la faz del planeta. Venga. Es mucho bien, ¿eh? Tengo que ir a comprarme líquido de vape. El cervatillo. Es la misma que el mismo ciervo que lleva ella pintado en la camiseta, ¿lo habéis fijado? Es charlando.
Isn't this awesome
Mamá.
sauce? Totally
Grande.
reminds me of when we were kids.
Grande. Pues
Come
está,
on,
estoy de todo.
slowpoke!
Estoy de
Hold
todo.
on.
Gracias, bro. Life.
I haven't been here in forever.
Yeah, yeah.
So why do I feel like I was just here? Whoa. This is the exact same path I was on during my nightmare today.
Gracias, bro. Gracias, bro. Corazón japo para ti. Corazón japo para ti.
Hello, cute little squirrel.
Hola.
You and me. Stare contest.
Ah, pues chao. Chao, chao. Vale. Hello, how do you do? Pues hello, how you do for you too. ¿Sabes? Pues mira, se fue. Se fue. Letrero. Lighthouse.
I feel like I'm in my nightmare again.
Pues nada. ¿Y esto? Basura everywhere, claro que sí, hombre. Faltaría más. Destrocemos el campo. Qué cerdo. Uy. ¡Hala, pobrecito! Tierra de mando Max, aquí tu caballero Warren. Sé que estabas preocupado por mí. Te debo una, gracias por la de hoy. Te llamo luego, sí, palabra. Tranqui. Ah, y me tienes que contar tu gran secreto. Jeje. Jeje. Jeje, lo vamos a dejar de lado porque vamos. Porque
Birds are
vamos.
so lucky, they can always escape.
¿Y esto? Haiku. Un poema, un poema japonés.
A tree haiku? How pretty.
Send this way, ¿no? ¿No puedo hacer una foto? Huellas. Mirad.
Those sure aren't big feet. What kind of animal left those prints?
¿Hola? ¡Oh! Graffiti. Mirad,
Weird.
mirad.
Those
Estoy
glyphs
estafado.
remind me
Mala
of the
suerte.
wind.
Mala suerte. Pocas palabras. Mapica.
Wowzer. Chloe drew that to mark our tree fort. So we'd always be able to find each other in case of
¡Hala,
emergency.
tío! ¡Qué bonito! Esta soy yo cuando me levanto por la mañana.
Clearly, the Bigfoots are everywhere.
Esta soy yo cuando me levanto por la mañana. Jurado, A ver, cuidado. No vaya a ser que chafes la fogata, ¿sabes? Y te buguees. Hola. Es aquí donde se tienen situaciones románticas sin saber que somos dos bollos. Hablar.
Sure you don't want to be alone?
Have a seat, Pete.
Será un placer.
My pleasure. Feels nice out here after all that drama.
You really took one for Team Chloe.
I'm not as brave as you. And David is
Me gusta mucho
indeed
esta
a
pareja,
step
tío.
douche.
En plan, me
I'm
gusta
sorry you had
mucho.
to experience it firsthand.
Madre,
You have
quiero
to
verte
live
la
with
cara,
him.
tío. Me haría ilusión.
Has he always been this way?
Ever since my desperate mom dragged his ass to our
Me
home,
gustaría mucho verte esa
I never
carita.
trusted David.
Vale. Se le fue la olla con Kate. Debería haberle hecho una foto.
He freaked out on
Es que
poor
se le
Kate
fue la olla
Marsh
con
today.
Kate, tío.
I know her. She's cool. Only that prick would bully her.
He has some kind of weird agenda.
He has a lot of
A ti,
secret
tío,
files.
a ti, tonto.
Rambo still thinks
Tan
he's
bobo,
gathering
¿eh?
enemy intelligence. Did you take a peek?
¿Archivos?
Files?
I know that look. You peeked. So, dish the dirt.
Eso,
Snuff
eso.
videos?
Creepy photos of Kate Marsh.
Y tiene una cámara,
Other
tío.
Blackwell students.
Tiene una puta
This
cámara.
dude takes his job too seriously. He still thinks he's at war or something.
Madre mía,
He's a
una cara
total
tuya.
surveillance fetish.
Mira
Or
una
there's
foto.
spy cams in the house.
Me
I
la
knew
firmas.
you didn't know. Chloe, your house is under surveillance.
What are you talking about?
Ojo.
There are cameras all over the house. I saw it on a monitor in the garage.
Se lo ha
I knew
dicho.
it. He is so hella fucking paranoid. I'll keep this a secret for now.
Oh.
Sometimes ignorance is bliss.
No wonder I'm so miserable. Everybody in this town knows everybody's secrets.
Incluso el tuyo.
Even yours.
Not anymore.
So what do you have on Nathan?
He's an elite asshole who sells bad shit cut with laxative.
Oh, droga.
And he
Estamos
dosed me
hablando
with
de
some
droga,
drug in
¿verdad?
his room.
What?
Yo, si
I
me
met him
pinta
in
el
some
cabello
shithole
antes,
bar
¿a
that
qué te
didn't
refieres?
card me. He was too rich for the place and too wasted, and he
¿A qué te
kept
refieres,
flashing
bro?
bills.
Just tell me what happened, Chloe. Now.
I was an idiot.
Vale, te
But
sigo.
he was so blazed it
¿Me
would
sigues
be
tú a
an
mí?
easy score.
You needed money that bad?
Actually, yes. I owe big time. And I thought I'd have enough for me and Rachel if she showed up.
¿Y Nathan? ¿Cuánto debes, tía? No, es que tiene que... Es que no sé qué
So,
preguntar.
what about you and Nathan?
We went to his room at Blackwell. We drank, and I laughed at his rich kid bullshit.
Ajá.
He was one step ahead and put something in my beer.
God, Chloe. I can't believe this. I mean, I do. Then what?
I know I passed out on the floor. I woke up and that perv was smiling, crawling towards me with a camera.
Go on.
Everything was a
Estoy
blur.
flipando, tío.
I tried to kick him in the balls and broke a lamp. Nathan freaked, so I managed to bum rush the door and get the hell out. Max, it was insane.
Hostia, tío.
I am so furious, I
En
can't
plan,
even
qué fuerte,
speak.
tío.
What did you do then?
I figured I would make him pay me to keep quiet. So I
Creo que
met in
sí,
the
¿eh?
bathroom.
And
No,
he
creo
brought
que
a
algo
gun.
parecido así.
That was Nathan's last mistake.
Sigue siendo peligroso.
He's still
O sea,
dangerous,
pero que sigue
Chloe.
siendo peligroso porque está
Not
vivo,
just to
¿sabes?
you.
Good thing you didn't tell anyone. Nathan Prescott better watch his back now.
I won't always be there to save you.
You were here today, Max. You saved me. I'm still tripping on that. Seeing you after all these years feels like...
Destiny.
Pues tío, que prácticamente casi la viola, el pardo, y le hace una foto. No sé si la ha violado porque no lo dice, ¿sabes? Entonces un poco la de... ¡Wow! Entonces es como que cada uno en esta ciudad tiene un puto secreto, ¿sabes?
If
El
this
de
is
ella es
destiny, I hope we can find Rachel. I miss her, Max.
eso. Ah, tío, qué mal. Es como su puta novia, ¿sabes? Ya ha desaparecido.
This shit pit has taken away everyone I've ever loved. I'd like to drop a bomb on Arcadia Bay
Ya
and
te has
turn it
acordado,
to
¿eh?
fucking glass.
Es muy triste, tío. ¿Y ahora qué? ¡No!
Oh no! Not again!
F, tío. ¡Qué física, loco!
Why is this happening to me?
No entiendo nada, tío. No entiendo una verga, loco.
Why am I here again?
Un puto pobre. ¿What? Vale. O sea, voy lentísima.
Is Chloe still up there? I have
¡Hostias!
to find out.
¡Hostias! Casi palmo, loco. Vale, por el otro lado, por el otro lado, por el otro lado. Por el otro lado. Vale. Oh. Vale. Me puedo acercar. Me acerco, le doy aquí. Cruzo. Cruzo el bicho. Y ahora se cae el árbol. Ahora. El árbol. Vale. Vale. Claro, claro, tengo el poder de mover las cosas. Vale, ahora subo por
I've
aquí.
never seen a storm like this in Oregon.
No sé por qué el puto cierre me lleva hacia arriba. Soy un puto cervatillo. Soy un cervatillo. I'm a fucking cervatillo. Oh, ¿qué hago? ¿Qué hago? What? Vale. Vale, esto que no. Todo esquivo. Vale. ¿Por qué me llevaste aquí arriba? Ya, ojalá yo también, ¿eh? ¿Qué poder querríais tener, tío?
Oh my lord! The tornado is back!